Good morning. It is 2 degrees outside. I'm at work and I am ready to get into the school bus. At least it's getting lighter and lighter outside. Alright guys, I was able to get the Munchkin Heart tin can, but now I'm looking for the pink tumbler from Dunkin'. Wish me luck. No pink cup. All right, so today was the Dunkin' drop for these heart tin cans with the munchkins and the pink tumbler cups. What is going on? Because today is January 28th. It is supposed to be, you know, the first drop, and already things are sold out. I went in at 6 in the morning. They said they only had the tin cans, the one that I usually go to, these kind. And I really wanted the red one, but she said they only had this pink one. This one says you're a treat. And I'm like, wait a minute. Isn't there supposed to be like an insert where when you put the, like how it's advertised, I'll insert a picture. How it's advertised, it looks like it's an insert where it's nicely, you know, put like chocolates. Anyways, it's fine. I don't care. I did lose 2 donuts because the cover wasn't connecting to it. I think it's kind of flimsy. But yeah, 2 donuts fell out. No, I did not eat one yet. But yeah, at first she only put like 12, and then when she scanned it and then it said 25, she was like, oh wait, I need to add more. Anyways, I'm so disappointed. I went to like 3 Dunkins and still couldn't find the pink tumbler. You guys, I'm a Dunkin' girl. They need to sponsor me already. But anyways, I'm not going to keep going to any other Dunkins because that's just ridiculous. I have tumblers at home. All right, so this is an egg and cheese casserole with pancake. So egg and cheese pancake casserole. He made this. It looks so good. We already had like 2 yesterday. One for him, one for me. And now I am going to eat. I think this has sausages. Yes, this also has sausages. I believe the one that we had yesterday was bacon. It was so good, you guys. I'm going to ask him what was the recipe so that I can share it with you guys. Getting ready to decorate, but first coffee. I need some coffee right now before I can even function. Look how good this looks. All right, you guys. All of my decor for Valentine's is in one tote. I don't really do a lot of decorating when it comes to Valentine's. I love Valentine's, but I just, sprinkle a little something here and there. I do need to get bigger totes for my Christmas stuff and Halloween. Halloween has like 2 totes. Yeah, so excited. Waiting for the halftime show for the Super Bowl. Got pizza, cheese fries. Wings is almost gone. Now we're just waiting for the halftime show. Almost time. So excited. Woo! Woo! Let the baking come in. We're going to make some cupcakes. Is it cupcakes or brownies? Both, he says. So we have these molds. He's washing the other one. And yeah, stay tuned. Alright, I already put the liners down. I cannot wait, you guys. And then some funfetti. We are making the red velvet right now. the vanilla one?
Yep.
Alright, so the red velvet's already been mixed. We're gonna do the vanilla first, and then we're gonna start putting them in their molds. And we didn't have brownie. He thought we had brownie. So we're just gonna do the vanilla and the red velvet. Looking good. Okay, so you have to see the molds. This is hilarious. These came out good, but you don't see the hearts on this one. All right, this is the finished product. Let me turn on the flash. Isn't it so cute? Okay, you can't see the heart shape for some reason. I don't know. We either put too much, but you can see it a little bit. It has the frosting, the sprinkles. I think it's so cute, you guys. All right, I am back for my afternoon route. Switched shoes because it's warmer out now. My bag. And now I'm getting into the van. All right, guys, I'm going to show you around this bag. So I took my laptop out for this afternoon because I don't need it. It's early dismissal and I only got 2 students today, so whatever I needed to do for computer work was this morning. And so I did wanted to bring some treats for the girls, like a little Valentine's goodie bag, not much. So it was only 2 students that came. I have my little coin purse. I had my chapstick in here, but I forgot it in my car, and I'm not going back for it because I have a chapstick in this work van. So I have my pocket bag holder, and in here I just have my wallet. I was supposed to put my nails on for today. It is Friday the 13th, and so I just have my wallet in here. This is the denim from last year, and I just put that here. And then I just love this bag so much. It's not organized, you guys, so bear with me. I just have the goodie bags for the students. So this one's actually mine. The other ones are just sitting in one of the seats. All right. So this is what we're working with so far. It looks like, let me try to get a better view for you, because pretty soon I have to go around the front of the school to pick up the girls. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I have my pencil case, and this is how I'm using my pencil case. I'm going to show you guys. I might do a video, I'm not sure. I want to do a what's in my bag video with this one. Let me see. I'm thinking, should I? So I just wanted to show you my charm first. Super cute. Let me open it just so that I can show you, because who knows if I have time. I'm using my shades. I'm putting my shades in here. I'm using aviators, so they fit perfectly in here. And I'm just using that so that way my shades don't get crushed and I don't have to use sunglasses case. And it matches the bag. We have gum. This is the pack of nails that I was supposed to put on. We didn't put that on, didn't have time. I have my phone case, just wanted to show you. I have my lotion. I'm currently using this one. Here are some extra lollipops just in case if any other students came in today. So I just have extra lollipops in that pocket. I have my old phone. I always carry this around with me for extra storage, photos, data, anything like that. I have all of the essentials in that back pocket. As you can see, it's pretty full. I have my body spray, my wristlet, and my nasal spray. My nose is so stuffy, you guys. Thumper is shedding a whole lot and he's killing me. So I have my wristlet. I have the charm on there. How cute is that? And then I just have, what do I have in here? I just have like my emergency kit in here. Let's see. I have wipes, my hair clip, my inhaler, phone charger, manicure kit, and that's it. I just love how it has two pockets over here. And then I have my lipstick, not lipstick, chapstick. All right, I gotta go. Good morning, guys. This is what we're having for breakfast. All right, so even the milk top is pink. How cute is that? Okay, I think the powder is pink. Look at it, it's so cute. It has the chocolate chips in it. I cannot wait. Look how cute. It's pink. Ooh, love some chocolate chips. Look how pink they are. Oh my god, I love it. It's so cute. Alright, can't wait to put some syrup and dive right in.
That make me sound harder and more ruthless, but the truth is that I'm in his way. I'm the stone of city's man, really, really over the killing brands, niggas. You all looking like you too?
They are?
Go.
Oh, goodness gracious. You mind if I'm recording this?
No.
Okay. I like them.
See how my feet look weird?
Yeah. Oh, you guys, look how cute is this little denim bag here at Levi's. I like this one. That's cute. They got the denim tote. That's cute. How about this one? Look at this one. It's like a little pouch. And then it has the large. Oh, this could be perfect for a laptop. Okay. Coach Coffee Shop here at the Jersey Shore Premium Outlets. Right next to Coach. Can't wait to try it. Oh, it's super loud in here. What is it? What are you saying? Wow.
Oh, the music.
Oh. It's super nice in here. Hello, good to you? Yeah, I got the mini rolling. guys, look how cute this is.
Dinner starts at Primo's, the best Italian in town. A nightcap at my
What?
place.
There's nothing there.
Follows,
There's nothing there.
and then breakfast in bed.
Okay. Well, in that case, you might need to
There's
take a
nothing
break.
there for you.